Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you know about this channel, you know I'm always doing something DIY with my home. And if you don't know, this is your first time coming, thank you so much for watching. I hope this gives you some inspiration. Now, your girl has been away for a while. I've had some sinus infections or sinus problems all throughout the month of July, but I am back and I'm back strong. It's my birthday month, so my husband is doing a small project as a birthday gift for me. So thank you, hubby. We are installing a bench for our breakfast nook slash dining area. It's not a dining room, but it's adjacent to my kitchen. And so instead of course, asking or purchasing or paying for someone else to come, my husband is DIYing it. He's actually installing three. It's three. What do you call things? Studs, sorry, three wood studs high, and then he's putting the benches on top of or actually cabinets on top of the studs to lift it up a little bit. He had it on two, but it just wasn't high enough. And then he's going to put a flat piece of wood on top of it that we can sit on, and then you'll be able to hear a little bit more of what he's doing. Wrong.
Ain't nothing wrong. I just gotta rip it down.
Why? Explain. My people need to know.
If people need to know. Oh no, I just gotta whip it down so it matches. So I gotta take this to the table saw and whip it down about 1/8 of an inch.
Because they put the floorboard behind the what?
Oh, the baseboard is behind. Basically, there was probably carpet here before. So they took the carpet out, then take the baseboard out. And when they put the floor down, they put the floor against the baseboard instead of putting the floor all the way to the wall and then the baseboard on top of the floor. So now
You have to cut that down because the length of the floor
because the floor is sitting higher.
is higher. Yeah.
Yep. So I gotta cut it down. This looks about 1/8 of an inch. Whip it down 1/8 of an inch and it should be flush.
Okay.
So let me check the other side to make sure it's the same. It should be.
It's really coming together. How much were the cabinets?
I think well, I had a $75 coupon, remember, from Home Depot? And it came to like $190.
$190 for all three.
Yeah.
And then how much is it for the
For the top?
the top part?
This was $75 because I wanted three
One.
quarter inch.
Okay. And then you already had the boards at the bottom.
Yeah.
But how much would they typically cost?
Starts well, those are 10 footers, so I'll say about 10 something. Just $11 each.
$11 each.
Yeah.
Okay. This is what it looks like from afar. So eventually my plan is to do something else with this. Either sell it or put it away, or I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but it's not gonna be in here. And so he has put the floorboards here. He hasn't caulked anything yet. I just want to show you what it looks like. So I decided to do the floorboards because it will look like it's actually made for this wall with the floorboards. And then he didn't sand the top yet, but he will be sanding this. And so we will be coloring this a very bold color. I'm thinking about the bold blue that's already over on the other side of the wall. And the top will be white because I am going to have some accents. It's not really panels here. And I have to contact Rooms Remembered and see if she can give me some suggestions on who can make some custom padding to go on top of my bench. I want the padding to have some type of design on it. I haven't decided what I want it to be yet. So I think I need to pick out my fabric and then have one make it specifically for this length and this width. I think I need just one. I'm not sure if I need to put two here. I don't know. What do you guys think? I welcome your suggestions. But from afar, it looks really good. So let me back up a little bit. And it looks so much better like that, doesn't it? Doesn't it look great? So, excuse my voice again, I'm getting over a cold or sinuses. So you can tell I did not paint this wall. You can see it's a different color from this one because I knew I was going to have some decorative panels on that wall there. So if you want to know or see the final product, you have to come back, you guys. You're going to have to come back. Please, if you like my content, like, subscribe, or comment because it certainly helps out my analytics. And I put a lot of effort into this channel. So thank you so very much. And this is Wendy Shenarigan saying, see you later. Bye.